Hi guys, welcome back to another DIY video, and in this video we are going to create or transform this old table, or literally like revamp the whole thing to create a storage solution for the bathroom. So I know someone may think like, why did you not give it away, why did you not sell it? So first, selling it with this second hand people, they really buy things at a very throwaway price, and since we no longer use the table, why not make it to something more functional for our current space? So this is a client project, and I love that she loves to reuse things that are already there instead of throwing them away. And yeah, it's also a great way to cut costs since you won't have to buy a lot of materials, you can only pay for labor. So yeah, if you're new here, my name is Reggie. I do all things DIY. We love trying new things over here. So if that's your vibe, remember to subscribe before you leave, like this video, share, and let me know in the comment below what you think or what should be and what you can be able to transform in your space. So let's get straight to this video. Remember to watch it until the end to see the transformation.
It's easier than fighting, but now, no. Your soul is at the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. You're struggling to see what I'm doing, that I'll take a bullet for you. It's easier to let go, but I won't. I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier to let go, but I won't. Your soul is at the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. Go on, help me, I say na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. Try to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. Wish I could get through to you, don't know what to do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong, and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way. is wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place, but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. Oh yeah, yeah. Running back through my mind, looking out for a sign. Don't know where I went wrong. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, though. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my.
And there we have it, guys, our bathroom storage solution. So if you have enjoyed this video, remember to like it, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you in the next